Introducing the best practices of Lantawan Primary School, Buog District. This is what the community wants to our iPad learners.
Harwa, itajud gina mo gama, itajud guna magtutulo, bata ta balay kay para di ilan mo sipag andun nisturyahan ta ris nubanan. Katalo, pasigarbuhon ta jud tributanan daw kay ita nilala ita na umika magunay migwit din ta. Malipayo sige. Maglaliagi ta na mga subanan o
Encouraging stakeholders to showcase their talents and present using Subanen language.
Balihori puso mo, balunai kapyanan kagalang tadatahala, bumitaro kita minibanan, dumit kalatasta, adalo, pamihinin mo. Lalipad ang swalo, pasumpat manumpat na, sampai bagong batata, katarhian ng inuban sano, diati pagnaon, maayaso bayan, magkakabalay nita, di kapyan iwapan wata, balay kapyanan bigayan tadatahala, pumitalo kita minibanan, ngunit halatas ka, katalo, pamihil-mihil mo. Nalaman ko'y bansao, yang biaran ko, yang si imaan ko, nang dia.
We also encourage our teachers to teach our learners the simple Subanen dialect.
Numero? Salabo! Laika! Ilabo? Di? Ilabo? Record?
In Lantawan Primary School, we also celebrate iPad Day, where the learners, the parents, and the barangay people showcase their talents in singing and in dancing, using their costume representing their tribe. In Barangay Lantawan, 80% of the population are Subanen. Subanen people are really fond of dancing and singing, where they can express their feelings through dancing and singing.